Hey guys, I'm so excited because today we are going to be unboxing this. This is the Squishmallows Advent Calendar. It's the little micro mallows and it's a 24-day advent calendar. So let's get into it. There's spoilers in the back, so let's not look at it too much. I absolutely adore Squishmallows. I think they are so cute. I have way too many of them, but yeah, I'm obsessed and I didn't need 24 more Squishmallows, but here we are. I think I watched a video on like this calendar last year, like not this exact one, but like obviously, but like on a Squishmallows Advent Calendar, and I was so gutted that I didn't get it. So this year we are righting our wrongs. We are unboxing the 2024 Squishmallows Advent Calendar. So, oh, look at it. So you open it up and this is how it looks. The days are all in order, so anyway, let's just get started on this bad boy. I'm very excited. Ah! So cute, guys. Okay, day one, we have little Manny here. He is a little snowman and he's wearing a little hat and his name is Manny. It says, Manny is a budding engineer. This crafty mallow dreams of using science and creativity to make the world a better place. Though he has a lot left to learn, Manny is already putting his talents to work. Last winter, he built a gingerbread house with flickering holiday lights. So here's a little close-up of Manny. He is such a sweet pea. So that was day one. Okay, day two. This is Lola. And I'm sorry, Lola. She's like a cutie pie, but she's not my fave. Sorry. Is she a cow? I think she's a cow and she's got little earmuffs on. I do love her little earmuffs. They're very sweet. Anyway, it says Lola's favourite time of the year is winter because she loves to ski. Her skis even match her pink snowsuit. When she's finished hitting the slopes, you can find her curled up with Coca, watching one of her favourite movies or planning her next trip. So, there is little Lola there. She is super sweet. Day three. Oh, we have a little penguin. He's so cute. So he has a little... Is he wearing a little belt? I think it's like a little, like, Christmas tree belt, and he's got a little Christmas hat on. Anyway, this is Puff. I think it's meant to be a reef, to be honest. I feel like the design doesn't quite translate because it's like, I don't know, like on his little actual card it looks like there's like a 3D reef around him, whereas like it's just like being put into the fabric, if that makes sense. But anyway, this is Puff and it says Puff loves melting cheese in his hot cocoa and sharing smiles with friends. He can also be a bit silly sometimes. But did you know Puff is great at keeping secrets too? Want to share some laughs with Puff? He is a very sweet boy. So there he is there. Tiny little penguin. He's a sweetheart. Day four. Oh, it's a little mouse. He's so cute. So this is Murray. Murray is a little mouse and he has like a little... I don't know what this thing's called, but I know like a little nutcracker uniform on, I think. So it says, have you met Murray? He dreams of being a master chef and is a bit of a mischief maker. When Murray isn't assisting Gina or making his famous charcuterie boards, he's probably starting snowball fights with his cousin Misty. Oh, cute. I love how they all have like their little interests and hobbies and stuff. Like, I just can't. Obsessed. I think my first ever Squishmallow was Gordon and I absolutely love Gordon. Like, I really want to get a Gordon tattoo, to be honest. He's a little shark. Okay, day five. Oh, it's a little octopus and she's wearing a little Christmas hat. That is so cute. I think I've got a big octopus down there somewhere. Anyway, this is Beulah. I feel like I've said her name wrong, sorry. It says meet Beulah. Is it Beulah? Beulah? I don't know. Anyway, it says she loves DIY, painting and making everyday things into beautiful art. She wants to be an art teacher when she grows up so she can continue painting and share how much art means to her with the next generation. What a sweetheart. So there she is there. She's quite a little sweet pea. I love her little tentacles and she's just got a little Christmas hat on. It's like a really pretty pink colour. So love her. She's a sweetheart. Okay, day six. Oh, this is a really cute one. This is a little, like a little deer. And she also has like little earmuffs on. I'm not gonna lie. Her earmuffs are a bit like... I feel like they look a lot cuter on the little cards that they have. And I think it's because they've been like shrunk down. So it's like a little bit harder to get all the details right. But she's still very sweet. This is Dawn. So Dawn is a tomboy who's always up for a camping adventure. She was fluent in all animal languages and loves to teach her friends all about different animals who live in the forest. Dawn even hopes to be a park ranger one day. What a sweetheart. Yeah, I feel like her earmuffs are a little bit dodgy, but she's still such a little sweet pea. Look at her. But like, when you look at like her little picture here, I feel like you can see. I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but anyway. It's a Squishmallows Advent Calendar. I'm not going to be too picky. Okay, day 7. Oh, who is this little honey pie? He's just like a little elf. His name is Orzalo. I don't know. But it says he works as a vet tech in the North Pole. He is responsible for keeping the reindeer fit and healthy all year round. With all his animal knowledge, he's started inventing new sleigh gear for the reindeer. Thinks Santa will approve of his designs. What a sweetheart. Also, I know they need to put a tag on, but girl, this tag's almost bigger than the whole Squishmallow. Anyway, I love this sweetheart. Is he not the sweetest little pea you've ever seen? Last year for Christmas, Kate got me a big elf. I think he's an elf. He was wearing like a little... I don't know, he's out there somewhere, but he's really, really cute. He lives on our couch. And now he's got a tiny little friend. Okay, day 8. Oh my god, it's a cupcake. Oh, this is Chantal. So my mum's name is Chantel, but this is Chantal with an A. My mum has an E. And this is a little cupcake. I'm going to send a picture to my mum and say, I love you. So it looks like it's like a little mint cupcake or something. So cute. How many snowflakes fall in one day? Are they really all different? Ask your new friend Chantel. Chantel loves to find out random facts and share them with all her friends, especially when snow is involved. So there she is there in all of her glory. She is the sweetest little pea, and I'll probably love and adore and cherish her for the rest of her life because her name is similar to my mum's. See, like when I read their little cards and know their names and stuff, like it just gives them like a little background. So like I love all of my stuffies. I really try and look after all of my stuffies and make sure that they all know they're loved and appreciated, you know? 29. What is this? This is Avery, and he is a little bird and he's wearing a very cute little snow hat. He looks a little bit disgruntled, but that's fine. Anyway, this is Avery. It says, don't let his size fool you. Avery is a skilled left wingman for the local rugby team, and one day he wants to be a coach. Avery's whole family comes to watch him play, and they always bring popsicles for after the game. It's Avery's favourite way to celebrate. What a sweetheart. He's very cute. He is looking a bit like... I don't know, he looks like he's seen some things, but he's still a very sweet boy. I really am having a really fun time with this calendar because I just love Squishmallows, so... Day 10. Oh, this is just the sweetest little man or girl I've ever seen. I don't know, this is Machina, and I think it's a little cup of hot chocolate. Ah! It's got a little mug handle there. And they've got a little straw, and I just think that is so cute. So this is Marshina. Have you met Marshina? This cocoa queen has an imagination that is almost out of this world. From sci-fi heroines to everyday stories, Marshina wants to spend her time telling tales. This Mallow even dreams of being a writer and bringing the world she imagines to the big screen. Oh, she might be like one of my favourites we've seen so far. I am obsessed with her. What a sweetheart. Love her. Okay, day 11. Oh, we have a little mint. I think. I don't know. Like a little lolly. This is Dulce. I think that's how you say it anyway. Dulce works part-time as a gift wrapper and makes the most beautiful bows. Even though the holidays can get stressful, she is dedicated to her work. Dulce is saving it up to travel across the world, one city at a time. If you need help wrapping a present, you know how to call. That is so cute. I can't. And it makes me really like... Next time I go on a trip or something, like I want to take her with me so she can travel the world. Like I said, I love and care about my like stuffed animals. How cute is she? Also, I don't know what these little tags on the side of her are. I don't think anyone else has had those, so she's super cute though. Okay, on to day 12. Oh! What is... Oh, it's a little avocado wearing a Christmas hat! I can't. Okay, this is Austin, and he is a little avocado, and he's got a Christmas hat on. I can't, that's so cute. It says, Austin loves drawing aliens and dreams of one day living in space. He loves to pretend that he lives on the moon or is climbing rock mountains on Mars. Austin became obsessed with outer space in school when reading a book about aliens. Will you help Austin plan his next space adventure? He is beautiful. Look at him! He's just got to be one of the sweetest things I've ever seen. Oh, my heart cannot take it. Obsessed with Austin. What a sweetheart. I love him. I really do. So we're on to the second half of the calendar. Day 13. Oh, I've got another little elf and she's got little plaits. This is Emmy and she's beautiful. Once again, her hat's a little skewy, but she just happened to be like that. Oh, yes it is. I think she's meant to be like a little bit of a jester kind of thing. I don't know. She's really cute though. It says Emmy is in charge of all the toys in Santa's workshop. She has her own list that gets checked twice a day and is one organised elf. When she isn't tracking toys on a spreadsheet, you can find Emmy at her bestie Fiona's ice cream shop. Her favourite flavour is naughty or pumpkin spice. So this is Emmy. What a little sweetheart. She's really beautiful. I love her. Okay, day 14. What is that? This is Dwayne. I think I said the name wrong, but I don't know what this is, but he's very cute. He's got wings and a tail. It says whoosh. That's the sound of Dwayne cutting through the ice rink with his triple axel. When Dwayne really wants to dazzle the judges at competitions, he uses his wings to lift off over the ice. Dwayne ice skates year-round and hopes to one day turn it into his full-time career. What a sweetie pie. I've never seen him before. He's very cute. So yeah, he's got a little tail, little wings. Day 15. Aw, is this an owl? I don't know, but this is Winston, and Winston has a cute little beanie on. Okay. Winston is an aspiring chef who takes his cooking creativity to the next level. His friends inspire his latest culinary delights, and he is always ready to whip up his famous mac and cheese. So there's little Winston there. He's very sweet. I do like him. Day 16. That's a little gnome. He doesn't even have a face. This is Gurry. Or Gurry, I don't know. If you ever need a helping hand, Gurry will be there for you. He loves to spread kindness and supports anyone to pursue their goals. Did you know Gurry helps Santa with his naughty and nice list? Which side of the list will you be on this year? What a sweetie. I wish he had a tiny little face though. But he's very cute. He's a little gnome. What a sweet. Day 17. Oh, it's a little angel. This is Nikki, and Nikki is a little angel, and she's so pretty. She's got little wings and a little halo. Oh, she's a sweetheart. Nothing makes Nikki's heart smile like watching a holiday movie with friends and family. She doesn't like cooking, but she loves to bake. When she's not rewatching movies or baking, you can find her daydreaming and staying up late drinking chocolate peppermint milkshakes. So this is Nikki. Absolutely stunning. She is such a sweetie. Day 18. It's a little thing, I don't know, but he's cute. This is Eva. I think it's meant to be like a abominable snowman or something like that. I don't know, but it has little footprints and that is so cute. So this is Eva. Eva draws her saber with care and grace in every fencing match. She knows being a good sport is more important than winning. It's one reason Eva is so well respected by her peers, and as she grows up, she's considering becoming a fencing instructor. Would you take one of Eva's classes? Yes, I would, because she's very sweet. And look at her tiny little toes. Like, oh, so obsessed. Day 19. Oh, it's not Mrs. Claus. This is Nicolette, which is just, oh, look at her. It's little Mrs. Claus, I think. She's so cute. Okay. You may not remember Nicolette, but she absolutely remembers you. Nicolette has the gift of memory and can recognise any friend or acquaintance from the North Pole and back. Oh, what a little angel. Look at her little bun. She's so cute. So I'm guessing this is meant to be like Mrs. Claus. She's so beautiful. Love her. Day 20. Oh, the gingerbread. I absolutely love gingerbread. This is Gina. Oh, obsessed. I adore gingerbreads. They're one of my favourite things ever. I think gingerbread people are so cute, and I really want to get a gingerbread on me, like tattooed on me. Anyway, Sweet and Spicy describes this gingerbread girl. Gina is the head chef for the North Pole, and she loves to test new tasty treats for Santa and the elves. But if they don't eat their veggies, she doesn't let them have any cookies. Oh, the little bow in her hair. She's just the sweetest bee. She might be my favourite for the calendar. I don't know. She's just, oh, I can't. She's so cute. I am obsessed with Gina. Okay, 21. Oh, it's a little Cam. It's a little Cam. I'm actually wearing Cam on my toes because I have the Squishmallow Crocs. I'll show you. See, they're a little bit dirty, but look, it's Cam. Love it. So cute. So this is Cam dressed up like in his little winter outfit. He's got a little beanie and a little scarf. Cam loves to jump in and out of boxes and build forts with his friends, Hoot and Wendy. He also enjoys going to the beach and to take cat naps or hanging around with his friends, but he's always up for an adventure. So we have little Cam there. He's very cute, very ready for Christmas. I'm 90% sure that this is actually like my first Cam. He's like the first Squishmallow that they ever made, yeah? Day 22. Oh, it's a little like sack. It's like a little Santa sack full of like presents and candy and stuff. We've got a little present sticking out of it. We have a little candy cane sticking out of it. That is so cute. This is Lowell. I don't know. Lowell goes out caroling every winter. At first they got nervous singing in public, but now Lowell is as confident as ever. Caroling with friends around town or under the gazebo at the park has become one of Lau's favourite traditions. Will you join Lau's caroling group this year? Okay, cute. I just think how cute. Like obsessed with that. That is just so cute. I can't. Okay, we're getting on to the last day. So we have 23. There's a little Christmas tree. This is Carol. Carol the Christmas tree. Caroling, coca, and cookies are some of Carol's favourite things. This festive mellow loves bright and cheery vibes of the holidays and wishes the world could be that way every day. Carol sings in a cappella group that visits schools, home, and hospitals to sing festive tunes all year round. What a sweetheart. So that is Carol there. She's very cute. Then we are on to our very last day. I'm kind of feeling like we have to get Santa because I haven't got Santa yet. Like, I've got Mrs. Claus, so surely Santa's in here somewhere. Anyway, on to our last day. I think it is. It is Santa! This is Nick. So cute. What a sweetheart. So we've got little Santa here, or Nick. Nick is the volunteer of the century who travels all over the world and donates time and money to make the world a better place. He works around the clock, day and night, to bring you the jolliest day of the year. What a sweetheart. So we have little Nick here. He's very, very cute. So that was the Squishmallows 2024 Advent Calendar. I really, really, really enjoyed this one. It was so much fun, I think, because I absolutely love like plushes. I think they're so cute. But yeah, I thought this one was so cute. I think it cost me around $75 or something like that. So I'm honestly pretty happy. Like 24 little micro mellows. It was so fun to open them. They're all so cute. Yeah, let me know down below what you thought. And let me know down below who was your favourite out of the calendar. Because, yeah, I'd really love to know. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.